Okay, hi guys! So today we're back in Universe Sandbox 2 and we're going to go back to the open stimulation. Empty stimulation, not open stimulation. Empty stimulation. Yay. Add. So today we're going to do Earth, but it has 1,000 But all we need to, you might think that's going to be a very long video, but no, we just need to go to rings and do moon swarm, add ring, and look, we've got moons, no moons. So let's start off with these moons and see how Earth does. Whoa! The G-force is pulling them in, which means that they're going to crash into Earth. This is what it looks like from. This is what it looks like from. This is what it looks like from Earth. You can see. This is what it looks like if you're like in the International Space Station. You would see this. And then it's literally this. Whoa, the moon's actually being fragments are crashing into Earth. I think moons are going to crash into Earth. Wait. Let's go to settings. Where's settings? There we go, settings. What's light index? Doesn't do anything. Let's just set it to 1. Whoa, look at this! It looks so cool. Let me do this for a second. It's like a disco party in outer space. It's like a disco party in outer space. Wow. Okay, let's just do realistic. The Earth is still a flaming hellscape. And the moons are still crashing into Earth. I know what? No creature except for maybe some bacteria would survive this. But anyways, let's go back to the disco party. Are there any other ones? Let's choose. Oh, look, now the Earth is super red. Realistic. Let's do realistic. What? Oh, did that even make a difference? Like, what does exaggerated do? Doesn't do anything. Well, that was a rubbish. Habitable zones. Flat. What are habitable zones? I don't know what habitable zones are. Okay, let's just do off. Okay. So that one was cool. Let's turn off settings and turn off. So this is what Earth looks like right now. It's not doing too well. If we speed it up, Earth will begin to cool. But still has, never mind, moons are still crashing in and Earth is still having a bad day. This is what Earth looks like right now. It has pools of lava and there are only a few bits that have water. This is like a flaming hellscape right now. The only place that has water is a tiny bit of the Pacific Ocean and a bit of an area here. But let's do a different things. Wait, no, I don't think that was actually 1,000 moons. Okay, so let's go add moons. No, let's go 2,000 numbers too. Wow. Okay, let's do that. And get even more moons. Whoa. The FPS is just dropping. The Earth actually does not exist. So the FPS is so low right now. My computer's like, no. The computer's like, no, not this. Okay, computer. I think that was 1,000 moons, so let's move on to our next experiment. Okay, so Earth. And let's add an ocean where the US used to be. Sorry, US people. It's just that this is the planet where all the people who did bad things in their life went. So it's not you. Wait, what? Why are they blue? Oh, that's the water. Okay. What if we slow this down? Nope, it's going. It's going toward Earth. Hurry. Okay, let's cancel. And now we can see the water crashing down on the US. Whoa! Let's turn Earth's Let's make Earth's rotation a lot more. Let's go billion years, I think, and let's do 110. So 110 billion years for the Earth to take one rotation. We'll never experience the rotation of the Earth. Whoa, it's a tsunami! It's a tsunami! Whoa! A very large part of the US and a bit of Canada is underwater. And also a bit of Mexico. California's underwater. And Baja, California, if you know what that state is, if you know what that bit of the US, of Mexico is about to go underwater, I think. Yeah, I think it's about to go underwater. Wow. The tsunami is continuing. Wait, no. I don't want the Earth to freeze. I don't want to put a star in because that's not me do. Because that's not what I do here. Let's get it to 30. Yay. Oh. Okay, let's get 50. Okay, 70. That is pretty hot now, but okay. Yeah, now all the ice is gone. That's fine. That's fine. The water's still going. It's covered. I think it's about to cover Vancouver. I think it nearly covered Vancouver. If you know what Vancouver is, it's a city in Canada. No, I don't want the ocean to freeze. I want it to grow. The US is almost entirely an ocean. This is so cool. And now the ocean is freezing. Now it's free. You can see the parts of the US that are completely underwater when the Earth freezes. Let's turn it up, turn the temperature up. Yeah, like that. 177 degrees. Okay, not like that. Let's do 39.1. Accepting Earth to go into a freeze state. No, I want it to be like this. Yes. There we go. Oh, Florida is almost underwater. New York is almost underwater. Whoa. Let's do this. Okay. One final experiment. Let's try and make Europe an ocean. If you've seen last episode, you know that we've already turned Europe into an ocean. But because I have no imagination, just kidding, I do. I'm just going to do it all over again. By the way, I do have imagination, not some dumb guy. Okay, material. Let's shoot it at France. Eiffel Tower, you will not get away with this. No. These are a lot more water drops than we got last episode. The water bit is so big right now. Whoa. Okay, let's turn Earth's temperature up. Whoa. London is underwater. London is actually underwater. Paris is underwater. Take that, Eiffel Tower. There's Spain. Madrid is underwater there. What about Italy? Italy didn't take a beating at all. Let's change that. Water. We can actually do carbon dioxide. What happens if we do that? Does the temperature go up? Because I know that carbon dioxide heats the Earth up. Nah, didn't do anything. Did not do anything at all. Okay, so tools, material. Oh no, not silicate, water. Let's change Italy into a part of the ocean that Europe has become. No, not Saudi Arabia. Although Saudi Arabia does need water. Italy. Sploosh. Italy been affected? Yes, it has. It sure has. Rome, I think, is underwater. And I think Cairo... No, Cairo isn't underwater. Come on, what if we, like, try and make the Earth full of water? Wait, I know. For our final experiment... For our final experiment, we could do, like, black holes equal size on two sides of the Earth. I got the sides and the sides mixed up, and see what happens. So add black hole with one solar mass. Now right now it's 2.95 kilometers, but it can already do a lot. Like, it can warp the Earth's view. Like, Europe does not look like this in real life. This looks so cool. I could look at this view of the Earth all day and I'd be... This is actually so satisfying. I could look at this all day and not be bored. This is so cool. But anyways, let's continue that experiment. And on the other side of the Earth, we do another black hole. This time it's warping the city lights. You see, it's warping the city lights of the US, and the US is doomed. We can also change Earth's rotational speed. Let's turn Earth's rotational period. Wait, what? Where did the Earth go? Oh, come on. Let's just do this again. Actually, let's see what would happen if a big black hole was right next to Earth. Let's do a black hole with like 100 solar masses. It's so big. It can warp so much of the Earth at once. Whoa! This is so cool. Let's see what happens. Let's slow it down by a lot. Oh, fragments are beginning to come out of the Earth. And let's set the black hole's speed to 0, please. Okay, so if I set it to 0, it doesn't work. So let's do this a third time. Let's just do a black hole with 10k solar masses. Whoa. How much can it warp Earth? It can actually warp the entire planet. Let's see what it does to Earth. This measly little Earth has no way of knowing what's coming for it. The Earth is like so close to the black hole. Let's slow this down by a lot. tiny fragments gonna come out? Huh? Huh? I guess we have to speed it up. The Earth right now is like, no. What? Let me see that again. I can barely say the word whoa. It actually causes it to look like there's a second warped Earth behind the Earth that we're doing. But no, it's because we're really, really close to the black hole, so the view is really distorted. Let's slow this down by a whole lot. So cool. Come on. Let me pause here. The Earth is getting pulled apart. Like on one end it's ripped and the other end it's ripped. The Earth is going to be ripped to shreds. Oh. It's gotten worse. The Earth is going to be pulled apart. Whoa! How are people still alive on the planet? Wait, I can barely tackle Earth. Oh, let me go to the surface. No, appearance. And see if, city lights. Yeah, it's habitable. Off because it's not habitable. Actually, maybe on because it is kind of beautiful. Well, the Earth is just getting wrecked. If I say this down to 0.1 seconds, what's going to happen? It's almost like it's frozen. In reality, it's not frozen. You can still see the warp distortion of the Earth. Although it is becoming dimmer. It is becoming dimmer. What's happening to it. No, I want the Earth. So this is what Earth currently looks like right now if all the dust and ashes weren't gone. Let's go to surface. Sometimes I try to get to see if there's any water left on the Earth, but at no point does it work. Let's do Fahrenheit. At lowest it's minus 459 degrees Fahrenheit. It's minus 159 degrees Fahrenheit. So in degrees Celsius it's minus 273 degrees Fahrenheit. And then it just warmed up so much. The view of the Earth is still another view of the Earth is still distorted. It's still there, although it's much dimmer. Earth is getting ripped to shreds. This is in milliseconds. The Earth is actually cool. Look at the temperature map. Here we go. Let's do like finally found out how to get these things. What's the combination? It's almost entirely gas. Now like spaghetti. That is moving much closer to the black hole. It's almost inside it. The other view of the Earth is now extremely warped, and it looks like the Earth is getting pulled apart to like shreds. It looks like spaghetti. It looks like a piece of spaghetti. In fact, scientists actually call this process spaghettification because every time it happens, it looks like because it gets stretched out like a piece of spaghetti. The Earth is about to die. Anyways, we didn't need you, Earth. We did not need you. Well, I do kind of need you because, like, you allow us to live, but this is the Earth where everyone went to did bad stuff in their life. Let's do overview and see how let's do whoa! Shockwaves are spreading all over the Earth, although there's no one around to see them. What about surface? And then do water. Look at the temperature. Wow. The temperature is getting crazy. Overview. Wow. The Earth is orbiting around the black hole. The Earth's pieces are orbiting around the black hole. The Earth is completely engulfed in the shock waves. Earth is split up into a million pieces. Its mass is dropping by quite a lot. It's getting smaller. Like right now, if you've seen last episode, you know that I made a football super big, and it crashed into Earth. and then I crashed it into Earth. But the Earth is actually now smaller than the football. It's going to continue that way until it finally succumbs to the black hole. It's entirely covered in shockwaves. Pieces fly out of it as it becomes an asteroid, and finally becomes nothing. Bye-bye, Earth. It was nice knowing you. And there we go. The fragments of Earth will they will shoot out into space, and then they will be forever alone. No, I want to zoom in on the black hole. Yeah, so here's the black hole, and it's going in its own direction. As everything, you can't, apart from all the fragments, you don't even know that Earth ever existed. You probably future aliens won't know that Earth ever existed. If aliens exist. So that's going to be the end of the episode. See you next time, and